Hey everyone, Neeraj here from TechieTechTech, back with another video. So, in our last video about the OnePlus 7T OxygenOS 11 update, we talked about the bugs and my first impressions of the stable version of the update. A week after that, OnePlus released a hotfix and I've been using it daily for over a month now. Here's my long-term review of the Android 11 update on the OnePlus 7T. Let's jump in. In this video, I'll be sharing my thoughts about the performance, battery life, app crashes and the bugs I face and how to fix them. Let's start off with the performance. Like I said in my earlier video, the performance of the OnePlus 7T is still flagship level. Apps open in an instant, multitasking is buttery smooth with no app crashes. There are some hiccups with some apps, but that's primarily because of the app optimization, which was a common problem in Android 10. Therefore, make sure to regularly update your apps. Let's move on to gaming. A lot of users have reported app crashes, especially while gaming. On the other hand, I haven't had a single issue with the game crashes or even frame drops. I've been playing Call of Duty and Asphalt 9 on high graphics settings for the past month and never had a single app crash. The only issue I had was the occasional overheating near the camera bump. But a quick phone restart easily fixed that for at least a week. Moving on to the battery life, as mentioned in my previous video, the battery life has taken a slight hit. Now I have to always charge my phone before the end of the day. The screen on time varies between 3 to 6 hours depending on my usage, but the average SOT is around 4 hours. Two things to note here are, first, I am a power user and second, this phone is almost 20 months old now. So, the battery capacity has taken a hit considering it was used intensively every day for almost 2 years now. Moving on to the bugs, this is the decision making part of this whole video. Users have reported a lot of bugs like warp charge not working, overheating, app crashes, display not running on 90Hz and more. I faced these issues in the first build of OxygenOS 11 update and was able to find my way around them. With the latest hotfix update, most of these issues are gone and I faced only these 3 bugs. The first bug is overheating while gaming, but I was able to fix this after clearing the cache from the recovery mode or restarting the device. Sometimes the phone would randomly lose the signal of the second SIM and I had to toggle airplane mode in order to fix it. Other minor bugs include system app frame drops while checking notifications or switching apps while using a resource-intensive app like Asphalt 9 or Call of Duty. Here's a 2-word solution on how to fix all those OxygenOS 11 bugs. Factory reset. I know it might sound a bit more cumbersome, but this has been the only solution that has worked for me and a lot of other OnePlus 7 series users on Android 11. You can easily back up and restore your device using the OnePlus Switch app. There's a link in the description on how to do it. Moving on to the conclusion. So, should you update to the latest OxygenOS 11 hotfix? I would say yes, but only if you're willing to back up and factory reset your phone after the update. I know it's a pain in the ass, but OnePlus does not have a good track record when it comes to the software update department. If you update without resetting your device, you could end up with bugs that I've listed earlier or the more annoying bugs that I talked about in my previous video. To be honest, most of these are minor bugs and did not hinder the overall Android 11 user experience. But this is something that you should know beforehand. You could still end up with some minor bugs after resetting your phone. If you think it's too much of a hassle, then I would recommend you wait for a few more weeks until OnePlus releases another update. Do let us know what bugs you faced after updating to OxygenOS 11. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.